Ladies and gentlemen, today we have the beast, the legend, the 2025 Chevrolet Corvette ZR1, a name that sends shivers down the spines of supercar competitors. Chevrolet has taken the already incredible C8 platform and turned it into a track-dominating monster. Let's dive into what makes this new ZR1 the ultimate Corvette. At first glance, the ZR1 looks absolutely menacing. Chevrolet has gone all out with aerodynamics. That massive rear wing isn't just for looks, it's functional. Expect serious downforce when pushing this car to the limits. The wider fenders, deep front splitter, and enhanced cooling vents scream performance. And let's not forget those ZR1 exclusive wheels, wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires, ensure maximum grip. Now, under the hood, or rather behind the driver, sits a twin-turbocharged 5.5L flat-plane crank V8, derived from the Z6's LT6. But here's the kicker, this monster pumps out a jaw-dropping 850 horsepower and 825 lb-ft of torque. That's right, turbocharged insanity. 0 to 60? Expected to be under 2.5 seconds. Top speed? We're looking at over 220 miles per hour. And the exhaust note? Pure symphony. Mated to an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, shifts are lightning fast. But power is nothing without control, and Chevy knows that. The ZR1 gets a track-tuned magnetic ride control 4.0 system, enhanced braking with carbon ceramic rotors. Step inside, and the ZR1's cockpit screams performance. The driver-focused interior is wrapped in premium Alcantara and carbon fiber. You get a 12-inch digital gauge cluster, an 8-inch infotainment screen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and an optional track telemetry system to record and analyze your performance. Plus, the carbon fiber bucket seats. They hug you tight when you're pulling serious G-forces. What makes the ZR1 special? Well, for one, it's a supercar slayer at a fraction of the cost of European rivals. It takes everything from the Z6 and dials it up to 11. Twin turbos, increased aero and race-ready tech make it a true American powerhouse. And let's not forget, Chevy has hinted at a potential hybrid AWD ZR1 variant in the future. Could we be looking at a 1,000 horsepower Corvette soon? Only time will tell. The 2025 Chevrolet Corvette ZR1 is the ultimate evolution of America's most iconic sports car. It's faster, sharper, and more aggressive than ever. If you're a fan of raw speed and track-focused engineering, this is the Corvette to get. But what do you think? Is the ZR1 everything you hoped for? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more high-octane reviews right here on Powernation. Until next time, drive safe and stay powerful.